Before you use Wasabi Wallet, stop for a second, because most people assume all crypto wallets are the same. The surprising truth is that Wasabi is built specifically for privacy, but it comes with a learning curve that beginners often underestimate. Wasabi Wallet is a Bitcoin-only wallet focused on anonymity. You won't believe what happens next when users discover features like coin mixing, which makes tracking transactions extremely difficult for third parties, enhancing privacy in a world where blockchain is publicly visible. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume privacy means effortless. Using Wasabi requires understanding concepts like UXO, coin joins, and network fees. Mistakes can result in lost funds or reduce privacy if the wallet isn't used correctly. Getting started involves downloading the wallet, creating a secure backup, and funding it with Bitcoin. From there, you can participate in coin mixing sessions to anonymize your transactions. Wasabi also allows integration with hardware wallets for additional security. The upside is unmatched privacy. For users concerned about tracking or surveillance, Wasabi offers tools that most standard wallets don't. It's open source, free to use, and supported by a community of privacy-conscious developers. The downside is complexity. New users may find the interface intimidating, and transaction times can be longer due to coin mixing. It's also Bitcoin only, so if you hold other cryptocurrencies, you'll need separate wallets. The surprising truth about Wasabi Wallet is that if privacy is your top priority, it's one of the best tools available, but casual users who want simple sending and receiving may prefer a more straightforward wallet. If this review helped you understand Wasabi Wallet, subscribe for more cryptocurrency wallet reviews and tips.